Hi, I'm Susan Irby, the Bikini Chef. How did I get my name? My family has a lake house in Alabama, and we go water skiing all day, and we end up starving by the time, the sun goes down, so we cook in our bikinis. Everyone deserves to have a healthy, confident bikini body, and I can show you how to do it. I've written 11 cookbooks, including the Bikini Chef diet plan. It's all related to the foods that we eat. Your BFFs are your PFFs. We all know the BFFs, right? Our best friends forever. Lean proteins, high fiber foods, and healthy fat. Even if you're at a restaurant, you look on the menu, you're like, oh, what lean protein do I want to have? What does that come with? Oh, what healthy fats are on there? Follow me on my culinary journey to live your best bikini life. Life's too short not to wear a bikini.